Chainsaws are essential tools for homeowners, gardeners, and professional woodworkers alike, offering quick and efficient cutting for various forestry tasks. Whether you're trimming branches, felling trees, or tackling small woodworking projects, having the right chainsaw can make all the difference. From powerful motors to ergonomic designs, we've tested them all to help you make an informed decision. So grab your gear, sit back, and let's dive into the world of cutting-edge forestry tools that are revolutionizing outdoor tasks this year. Husqvarna 120 Mark III gas-powered chainsaw. This model comes equipped with a 14-inch bar and a 3/8 pitch chain with a 0.050 gauge, and it supports bar lengths ranging from 14 to 18 inches depending on the task. With a 38 cubic centimeter 2-cycle X-Torque engine, this chainsaw delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. The engine produces 1.88 horsepower and reaches up to 9,000 revolutions per minute, making it more than capable for handling residential jobs with ease. Its inertia-activated chain brake automatically stops the chain in the event of sudden kickback to enhance user safety. The built-in low-vib dampening system reduces vibration between the engine and chassis, helping reduce arm fatigue and allowing for longer use. The automatic oiler provides consistent lubrication to the bar and chain during operation, helping to maintain cutting performance and extend the life of the tool. Its separate choke and stop switch simplifies startup and prevents accidental flooding, making it more user-friendly even for beginners. Tietoc 6-inch Mini Cordless Chainsaw. Weighing just over 3 pounds, it offers easy handling with minimal fatigue, making it especially suitable for tight spaces where larger saws fall short. Powered by an efficient 880-watt motor, this chainsaw delivers strong, consistent performance. It comes with 2 removable 21-volt lithium-ion batteries rated at 2,000 mAh, allowing extended runtime with a charge level indicator for added convenience. A semi-automatic oiling system uses a manual bolt to keep the bar and chain lubricated, supporting smooth cutting and extending chain life. The safety design includes a dual action lock to prevent accidental startup, a safety baffle to block flying debris, anti-cut gloves, a textured grip handle, and protective goggles for added control and protection. With a chain speed of 28 feet per second and low operating noise at 72 decibels, the Tietoc Mini chainsaw balances performance, comfort, and safety. Saker SK1806M02. It is a 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw built for light-duty applications such as pruning, trimming, and cutting small branches or logs. With a compact design and a total weight just over 6 pounds, it offers a comfortable grip and easy handling for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY users who need a reliable cutting tool. Powered by a 350-watt pure copper motor, this chainsaw delivers a chain speed of 780 revolutions per minute. Its high-quality guide chain is treated through a deep quenching process to ensure durability and consistent performance over time. Included lithium-ion battery system provides dependable cordless power, and the set comes with 2 batteries to support longer working periods without interruption. Designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind, the Saker Mini chainsaw features a streamlined body and intuitive controls that accommodate users of all skill levels. PAOWAFOL P1 Mini Chainsaw. PAOWAFOL Mini Chainsaw features a 1200-watt pure copper motor, enabling efficient cutting of 8-inch logs in just 8 seconds. Enhanced by a deep quenching process, its manganese steel chain ensures smooth, precise cuts. Equipped with 2 8-inch chains, this tool is ideal for wood cutting, pruning, and trimming small branches, making it perfect for gardens, farms, and orchards. Auto oiler system keeps the chain lubricated with a simple press of a bulb, while the tool runs on 2 21-volt, 4,000 mAh rechargeable batteries, offering up to 30 minutes of runtime per battery. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Weighing just 2.5 pounds, this lightweight chainsaw is easy to use with one hand, reducing fatigue during extended tasks. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it suitable for users of all ages. Jujubean 223. With a 6-inch guide bar and a battery-powered motor, it delivers powerful performance in a lightweight and portable package. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, it is easy to handle, making it ideal for both professionals and beginners. It is equipped with 2 2,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, providing up to 30 minutes of continuous use per battery. Charging takes approximately 1 hour, and an indicator light helps users monitor battery levels. It offers a clean cut, enhancing tree health and maintaining a neat appearance. It comes with a carry case for easy portability and includes safety gloves and goggles to protect users from potential harm. Additionally, the rotatable protective baffle helps shield users from splashes during use, ensuring a safer experience. IMOUMLIVE DLJ S6. Powered by a 700-watt motor, it delivers an impressive cutting speed of up to 32 feet per second, making it one of the fastest tools in its class. Its high-energy brushless motor minimizes internal friction and vibration, offering a smooth and long-lasting performance. With a quick start and stop mechanism, it effectively reduces backlash and prevents jamming, even when tackling tougher jobs. Weighing only 2.2 pounds of the battery, the IMI Live Mini chainsaw is designed for easy handling and maneuverability. Comes with two 3,000 mAh batteries that provide approximately 50 to 60 minutes of continuous use per battery, and each battery can be fully charged in about 1 hour. Additionally, the automatic oiler system helps keep the chain lubricated, preventing rust and ensuring smooth operation. The translucent oil reservoir allows users to easily monitor the oil level, enhancing convenience and reducing downtime. Thanks for watching today's review of the best chainsaws for 2025. I hope you found information valuable in guiding your purchasing decision. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tools. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with these chainsaws, feel free to leave a comment below. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to bringing you more expert insights in the future.